It says, I owe a lot of money to a man named Guido.
Left and B.
10B in the humidity. Yeah. If I could steal one from Patrick, it's the Ontario Slimestone, as he says.
Maybe from Peak Saver, I'm talking about. If you're watching, Dr. Piton, shouts out to you. Love your book.
Did you hear that, Dr. Piton? He loves your book. Sometimes the audio doesn't come through from the ground crew. It says it's a 10B, but that middle section looks awfully blank. We'll see how much poop I have in my pants when we get there. Right now, I am not a poopy pants.
I can finish it for you if you need, buddy.
All right.
Oh wait, I forgot my ladders.
Stand up on this, and then where is the, oh, I see, it's about the bulge. Step around onto that. Yeah, it's a pretty cool sequence. Let me get this on. These glue-ins are huge. The glue-ins, like the loop on them, or whatever. What's that? I don't know. Oh yeah, it looks like you go left. So it looks like people are going this way, getting this and going around there. Let's get some good chuck, just to get a base. Well, that was super cool. Looks all right. Looks like there's gonna be a mantle. Good finger lock. Mantle, knee beta. Oh yeah, this part doesn't look too bad. This little foot. That sucks. That's gonna break. We'll rest on this. Say what? Oh.
No rain so far.
Yeah. Trying to find like a good intermediate foot.
Now you're supposed to go way out the left.
No, there's some ledges up through the middle right here. There's like a really good foot here and here, but I'm looking for a left foot for an intermediate. All right. Very cool. Very exciting. That was very cool. Oh, looks like we're going out here. Polished, humid. Yeah. Yeah, this route was super good. Patrick, take. Dirt.